The discussion around the project started in the end of the 70s. The Swedish king and his Sylvia, his wife, they got married in 76, and they were living in the castle in the center of Stockholm, and decided to move up to this other castle just outside Stockholm, Drottningholm. And doing that, they had to fix the sewer, water, and modernize, because it was built in 1660 on an older castle, really, 1570. So there was a lot of culture layers. And so we were working with the authority governing all the royal castles to the solution that couldn't disrupt the culture layers, or we couldn't do anything about what was in was gardens, everything. So, and with this technology, it was really a neat solution to that problem. During the project, it was not really drawings to look at where the pipe were going. It was old gravity going down to the lake, and it was kind of a detective work to find out where all the pipes were going. So they put in colored water and follow that flow and check the discharge coming from all over the place, and identified where to put the pump stations, because no one knew. So it was a challenge to do that and not disrupting, and just figure out how is this connected. The infrastructure that was there before was wooden pipes. It was not only from the new castle from 1660, it was also from the old one. So there were all kinds of old technology that had to be replaced and modernized for the king and his family to move in. The project was built in time for them to move in. They moved in 1981. And after that was an additional project to connect all the houses around. There was restaurants, there were other houses in the area that people were living. And it was a total success, and actually so successful the king decided to visit the E1 booth at the VEFTech many years ago, because he's very interested in technology. Today, it's around 65 pump stations. That is the Drottningholm project, and it's still in operation, full operation, and run by the authority that governs the Swedish castle, and working fine today. Our king is a happy customer of ours.